Hey everyone, welcome to The Aware Life. Look at this. The smell, the crackle, the perfect summer night. We all love grilling, right? But here's the uncomfortable truth. This very simple pleasure is exposing your body to some seriously potent cancer-causing compounds. I'm not here to ruin your BBQ party, trust me. I'm here to share the hidden science so you can keep grilling and stay safe, because ignorance isn't bliss when it comes to your health. So, let's get aware. The first thing you need to understand is simple chemistry. It all comes down to high heat. When meat, especially red meat or poultry, hits temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius, two main things happen. First, you create HCAs. HCAs, or Heterocyclic Amines, are formed when the amino acids, which are proteins, and creatine in the muscle tissue, react at high heat. Think of that slightly darkened, browned crust. That is a hotbed for HCAs. The National Cancer Institute calls these potent mutagens, meaning they can literally change your DNA and increase your risk of colon, breast, and prostate cancer. Scary stuff, right? But wait, it gets worse. Let's talk about the smoke. This is where toxin number 2 comes in. PAHs. PAH stands for Polycyclic Aromatic Hydrocarbons. How are they formed? It's simple. When the fat from your steak drips onto the hot coal or burner, it burns and creates smoke. That smoke carries PAHs right back up and deposits them onto your food. It gives you that smoky flavor we crave, but you're essentially painting your food with carcinogens. They are the same nasty chemicals found in vehicle exhaust and cigarette smoke. We need to cut down on that smoky exposure. Okay, enough fear, let's talk solutions, because you can still enjoy your BBQ safely. This is the Aware Life strategy for grilling. Tip 1. Marinate smart. Studies show that simply marinating your meat for 30 minutes, especially with herbs high in antioxidants like rosemary and thyme, can cut HCA formation by up to 90%. The antioxidants literally block the chemical reaction. Tip 2. Flip it more. Frequent flipping keeps the surface temperature lower. The longer a single side is exposed to intense heat, the more HCAs are produced. Don't let it sit and burn. Also, try grilling indirectly. Heat on one side, meat on the other. Tip 3. The final cut. If you see black charred bits, the carbonized parts, cut them off. These are the most concentrated areas of both HCAs and PAHs. Don't eat the crust if it's burnt. So the takeaway is not stop grilling. The takeaway is grill with awareness. Make small changes, protect your DNA, and still enjoy life. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to The Aware Life, because we're here to expose the hidden truths and help you live a safer, healthier life. I'll see you in the next video.